Check engine light got you down? Introducing the Onratool V519 OBD2 scanner. Diagnose like a pro from your driveway. Reads and clears codes instantly. See live data and prepare for smog checks. Works on most vehicles since 1996. Save time and money on repairs. Get 60% off the Onratool V519 today. Check engine light got you down? Don't stress. Introducing the Onratool V519 OBD2 scanner. Your car's new best friend. Read and clear codes. See live data instantly. Professional diagnostics at home. For all vehicles 1996 plus, limited time offer, get 60% off right now. That's only 19 kronor at the night. Don't miss out. Click the link and start saving today. Check engine light got you down? Don't stress. Introducing the Linvora OBD2 scanner. Diagnose issues wirelessly. Clear codes and monitor your car's real-time performance. Get accurate results with the user-friendly app. Fast. Get the Linvora OBD2 scanner now and drive smarter. Visit our website today. Check engine light got you down? Don't stress. Introducing the Linvora OBD2 scanner. It's wireless and easy. Diagnose issues, clear codes, and monitor performance. All from your phone. At your fingertips. Get 54% off for a limited time. That's just $11. This deal won't last. Click now to save big and take control. Expensive car repairs got you down? Meet the top Diag T200, your car's new best friend. Diagnose issues quickly, saving money. Get real-time data, like battery voltage. Ensure emissions compliance easily. Stay ahead of costly repairs with ease. Get free lifetime software updates. Grab yours now. Take control today. Tired of expensive car repairs and confusing diagnostics? Introducing the top Diag T200 OBD2 scanner. Diagnose issues yourself. Clear codes. Check emissions. Monitor your battery. It's easy. For a limited time, get it for just $12. That's a 50% discount. This deal vanishes soon. Click the link now and grab your top Diag T200 today. Save money, save time, and take control. Check engine light got you down? Introducing the Bidirectional VD30 Pro. Diagnose problems instantly. Clear codes with ease. One-click smog check readiness. Understand what's wrong. Fast. Lifetime free updates and a 3-year warranty. Get yours at a flash deal price. The Bidirectional VD30 Pro. Get yours now. Tired of expensive car repair bills? Introducing the Bidirectional VD30 Pro. Diagnose issues yourself. Get smog check ready and understand fault codes easily. Built-in library. Lifetime updates. 3-year warranty. Save big. Originally $49. Now just $25. This flash deal ends soon. Click the link and get yours now. Check engine light got you down? Expensive mechanic bills a headache? Introducing the Motopower MP6 9040. Reads and clears codes quickly. Massive DTC database. Find problems fast. View live data. Understand your car. Save time and money on diagnostics. Quicker fixes. Less downtime. Flash deal. Get yours for $26. Stop guessing. Start knowing. Get yours now. Check engine light got you down? Don't stress. Introducing the Motopower MP6 9040 OBD2 scanner. Diagnose problems. Read and clear codes with ease. Access live data and a huge DTC database instantly. Get yours now and save on repairs. Cloud print reports. Fast and reliable diagnostics. Limited time offer. Grab it today. Click the link and start saving. Check engine light got you down? Meet the Ansel 84-10 OBD2 scanner. Read and clear codes easily. Save money on mechanic visits. It's user-friendly, even for beginners. Diagnose issues yourself. O2 sensors, evap systems, and more. Take control of your car's health. Today, get the Ansel 8410 now. Visit our website and upgrade your car care. Stressed about your car's check engine light? Expensive repair bills before diagnosis. Frustrating, right? Introducing the Ansel 8410 OBD2 scanner. Problem solved. Quickly reads and clears fault codes. Works on cars from 1996 and newer. Diagnose issues. Save time and money. Flash deal. Get 40% off for a limited time. That's only $35. Don't miss out. This offer won't last. Click the link now and get yours.